WebStorm has lots of features. There are buttons here and there, various tool windows, some other UI elements you might never have used before. Let's take a look at what the key UI elements do and how they can help you handle specific tasks. First is the editor, which is where you'll be working with your code. On the right-hand side of it, you can see the inspection widget, which you can use to view all the problems in the current file and navigate between them. If there are no problems in the current file, you'll get a green check mark in the top right corner of the editor. On the left-hand side of the editor, you can find the gutter. This shows the line numbers and lets you perform several actions. For example, you can add or remove breakpoints by clicking the gutter. By right-clicking anywhere in the editor pane, you can invoke the context menu, showing the list of actions available in the current context. Simply select the action you want to use. For some actions, you'll get pop-ups, like this one, that will let you click through to perform an action. At the bottom of the editor pane, you can also see breadcrumbs. These show the names of the classes, variables, functions, methods, and tags in the file that is currently open. You can use these to navigate quickly through the source code. Tool windows are another major part of the UI. All of them serve a specific purpose. For example, the project tool window shows the structure of your project, and the terminal tool window lets you work with the built-in terminal emulator. At the very bottom of the IDE, you can find the status bar. It's a small yet very handy piece of the UI. First, the quick access button on it lets you quickly switch between the tool windows and can also be used to hide and unhide the tool window bar. The right side of the status bar contains widgets. These indicate the overall project and IDE status and provide access to various other settings like Get branches. At the top, you can also find the navigation bar, which can serve as a quick alternative to the project tool window. You can also use the buttons that are to the right of the navigation bar to quickly perform some common actions, like running or debugging an app, updating a project, or making a commit, running a search, and the like. Right above the navigation bar, you'll find the main menu. It has various actions and controls, including the preferences or settings and help sections, which we'll cover in a bit more detail in later videos.